Hello everyone. Today, we will be recording the payments made to our credit suppliers. Let's analyze our sample inquiry to gather all the necessary information about our credit suppliers. Firstly, our investigation shows that there were outstanding amounts as of December 31, 2023. The initial balances were as follows: Mobile World had $3,000, TechZone had $2,500, and PhoneTech had $1,800. Please take a moment to check if these details were accurately entered into our accounting software. To do this, you may need to find the Reports button at the bottom left of your software interface. Once you click on it, go to the Supplier Summary Report. Click on the Supplier Summary Report and then click the New Report button. We will create a Supplier Summary Report for the period from January 1, 2024, to January 7, 2024, and then click the Create button to generate the report. The report provides the following information. Mr. Mobile World started with a balance of $3,000, and there were no new credit purchases from this supplier. Therefore, their balance remains at $3,000. TechZone started with a balance of $2,500, and there were no new credit purchases from this supplier. PhoneTech started with a balance of $1,800, and that balance has not changed. To view the balances for each supplier, go to the Suppliers button on the left side of the software interface. There, you will find the balances for Mobile World, $3,000, TechZone, $2,500, and PhoneTech, $1,800. Now, let's see how much we have paid each supplier based on our model question. Mobile World has been paid $3,000, TechZone has been paid $2,500, and PhoneTech has been paid $1,800. To document these details, go to the Payments option on the top left side of the software interface and select the option to create a new payment. To input specific details, start by selecting the date of the payment, which in this case is January 7, 2024. As for the payment number, you have two choices: manually enter a preferred number or choose automatic sequential numbering by checking the designated box. According the model question, payment was made direct from Stanbic Bank. On the Paid From field, choose Stanbic Bank on the Paid From field. Proceed to the next field labeled Payee, choose Supplier, then select Mobile World from the list of suppliers displayed. Moving on, we will skip over an item field and proceed to the account column. Here, we will select Account Payable and input the amount paid to Mobile World, which is $3,000, in the amount column. Before saving, it is important to review your entries. To record the payment made to PhoneTech, locate the Payments option on the top left side of your software interface. Click on it and choose the option to create a new payment. Specify the date when the funds were paid. In our case, select January 7, 2024, from the calendar. On a receipt number field, you can either enter a payment number of your choice or check the provided box to have the payments numbered sequentially. We will select the checkbox for automatic numbering. Now, let's indicate the origin of the payment. According the model question, payment was made direct from Stanbic Bank. On the Paid From field, choose Stanbic Bank on the Paid From field. Proceed to the next section, labeled Payee. Choose Supplier, then pick PhoneTech from the list of suppliers displayed. We can skip the item field and proceed to the account column. Choose Account Payable and enter the amount paid to PhoneTech, which is $1,800, in the amount column. Please take a moment to review your entries before saving by clicking the Create button. To record the payment made to TechZone, navigate to the Payments option located on the top left side of your software interface. Click on it and select Create a New Payment. Specify the date of the payment. In our case, choose January 7, 2024 from the calendar. For the payment number, you have the option to enter a number of your choice or use the provided box. We will select the box to automatically assign sequential numbers to the payments. According the model question, payment was made direct from Stanbic Bank. Proceed to the next field, labeled Payee. Choose a supplier and select TechZone from the list provided. On the Paid From field, choose Stanbic Bank on the Paid From field. We can ignore the item field and move on to the account column. In the account column, choose Account Payable and input the payment amount for TechZone, which is $2,500, in the amount column. Before saving, please take a moment to review your entries. Now, let's analyze the impact of the payments made to our suppliers. Locate the Reports button in the bottom left corner of the software interface and click on it. Then, find the Supplier Summary Report and select it. Next, click on the New Report button. We will generate a Supplier Summary Report for the period of January 1st, 2024 to January 7th, 2024. Make sure to accurately specify the report period and click on the Create button to generate the report. You will now notice that Mobile Word had an initial outstanding balance of $3,000. We have successfully paid them $3,000, which means we have cleared our outstanding balance. Furthermore, we had an opening outstanding balance of $1,800 for PhoneTech. The entire amount has been paid to PhoneTech, resulting in the clearance of our outstanding balance. The same interpretation applies to TechZone. To view the balances of our suppliers, you can access the Suppliers button on the left side of the software interface. From there, you will see that we have cleared our outstanding balances with all suppliers. You also have the option to access other reports related to suppliers, such as supplier statement transactions and supplier statements for unpaid invoices. In the next lesson, we will discover the process of documenting credit acquisitions made from suppliers.